Are you tired of constant back pain, body aches, and stiffness? What if I told you that just 10 simple daily steps can help you feel pain-free, no matter your age? Stay with me, because these easy exercises can change your life in minutes a day. Back pain isn't just about aging. It's caused by poor posture, weak muscles, and lack of movement. The good news? You can fix it naturally with simple daily habits. Let's start your step-by-step pain relief routine. Sit and stand straight. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your spine neutral. Bad posture equals more pain. Good posture equals instant relief. Tilt your head slowly side to side. This relieves tension in your neck and upper back. Roll your shoulders backward and forward. This improves blood flow and reduces stiffness. Arch your back up, then slowly dip it down. This exercise loosens your spine and reduces lower back pain fast. Lie down and pull one knee to your chest. Helps release tension in your lower back. Tighten your core and tilt your pelvis slightly. This strengthens your lower back muscles. Bend forward gently and stretch your legs. Tight hamstrings equals more back pain. Stretch them daily. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day improves circulation and reduces stiffness. Drink enough water. Your muscles and joints need hydration to stay flexible. Use proper support for your back while sleeping. A good sleeping position can reduce pain overnight. These 10 simple steps are easy, powerful, and work for every age group. Do them daily, and you'll start feeling relief in just a few days. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs pain relief today. Your healthy, pain-free life starts now.